I just wanted to say I'm a bit sorry that I haven't posted a video about the exhaust. I've been doing a lot lately. Thank you, Chuck. I've been doing a lot lately, homework-wise, in physics. Right now, I'm ending a semester. This is my final year in high school, so it's quite a big feat. And I have an SAT tomorrow, so I haven't been really focused on the car right now. But I will do it right now, just because you asked me twice, and it seems like you're really interested in hearing this car run, so I'll do that for you. Without any further ado, here's the exhaust. Thank you for asking me to make a video. It's really cool that I already have people giving me feedback, and that I've only made 3 videos so far of the car, and the feedback, actually 2 videos of the car, 1 video is of a car show. I'm really grateful for the feedback that I've been getting. Once again, Redline, thank you for helping me out, and for Miles Hoffman, here's the exhaust video. And I believe it was you who told me to check the ABS sensors. Redline, I think you also told me to do that. So I'm gonna do that next when I have a nice sunny day and a free day, maybe Sunday. But I think we have some thunderstorms that day, so may not be able to get to that. Other than that, that's the exhaust, and I will see you in the next one.